Good morning students. My name is Rajeshwari. I am coming from KGVP Kottapatnam School, Prakasam district. I am going to deal with the 7th class maths. Today we are discussing about the simple equation. What is an equation? Equating the two expression is called an equation. An equation contains equal to the sign that is. What is an equation? Equating the two expression is called an equation. An equation contains equal to the sign, symbol equal symbol. For example, two x plus 3 is equal 5. 2x plus 3 is equal 5. It is the one expression and it is the another expression. Equating the two expression is called the equation. Here, left to the equal symbol is called LHS. Right to the equal is called RHS. LHS means left hand side, RHS means right hand side. For example, find the LHS and RHS of equation. Three x plus 5 is equal to 2x plus 7. In this equation, LHS is equal to 3x plus 5. RHS is equal to 2x plus 7. LHS is equal to 3x plus 5. RHS is equal to 2x plus 7. Another example, 5x plus 8 is equal to 12. 5x plus 8 is equal to 12. To find the LHS and RHS, LHS is equal to 5x plus 8, RHS is equal to 12. RHS is equal to 12. Solving by equation, trial and error method. Solving equation by trial and error method. For example, 2 plus y is equal to 9. 2 plus y is equal to 9. First, we substitute the different values of variables. Substitute different values of variables and value of LHS, value of RHS, value of LHS and value of RHS. First, in this equation variable is y, so we can take it as y is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, 2 plus 1, y is equal to 1, LHS 2 plus 1, that is 3, RHS 9, RHS 9. We can take it as y is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 plus 2, that is 4, RHS 9. Y is equal 3, we can take it as y is equal to 3, 2 plus 3, that is 5, LHS is 5, RHS is 9. We can take it as y is equal 4, y is equal 4, 2 plus 4, that is 6, RHS is 9. We can take it as y is equal 5, LHS 2 plus 5, that is 7, RHS is 9. Continue this process. Y is equal, taken as 6, 2 plus 6, that is 8, RHS 9. Y is equal 7, 2 plus 7 is equal 9, RHS is 9. In this equation, value of LHS is equal value of RHS at the variable y is equal 7. At the variable y is equal 7. So, y is equal 7. So, y is equal 7. Another example, 2n is equal 14. We can find the trial and error method. Substitute the different values of variables, value of LHS, value of RHS, value of LHS and value of RHS. Suppose n is equal to 1, n is equal to 1, LHS 2 into 1, that is 2, RHS 14, RHS 14. Next, n is taken as 2, 2 into 2, that is 4, RHS 14, RHS 14. Now, n is taken as 3, 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6, RHS 14. N is equal taken as 4, 2 into 4, 8, RHS 14. N is equal 5, 2 5s are 10, RHS 14. Continue this process. N is equal taken as 6. 2 6 are 12, RHS 14. Now, N is equal taken as 7, 2 sevens are 14. RHS 14. At value of n is equal to 7, LHS and RHS are equal. So, the value of n is equal to 7. So, the value of n is equal to 7. The value of n is equal to 7. Now, difference between an expression and an equation. Equation contains equal sign, equal symbol. Example, 4x plus 1 is equal to 8. In this expression does not contain equal symbol. For example, 3x plus 6. An equation we can solve the equation, we can find only value of variables and LHS and RHS are equal in expression, but we simplify expressions only. Simplify the expressions. Finding the solution of an equation or solving an equation means finding the value of the variables or unknown that satisfies the equation. That is, LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. For example, x plus 3 is equal to 7. X plus 3 is equal to 7. We know that value of x, that is 4. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 4 plus 3. 7 is equal to 7. LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Solving some more example. Y minus 7 is equal to 9. Y minus 7 is equal to 9. Add 7 on both sides. Both sides. Y minus 7 plus 7. In RHS, 9 plus 7. Plus 7 minus 7 cancel. Y is equal to 9 plus 7, that is 16. The value of y is equal to 16. Now check the value. Y minus 7 is equal to 9. Y value 16. 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. 16 minus 7, that is 9 is equal to 9. Value of LHS is equal to value of RHS. So 16 is the solution of the equation. So 16 is the solution of the equation. Solving some more example. 5x is equal to minus 30. 5x is equal to minus 30. Divide by 5 on both sides. 5 on both sides. 5x by 5 minus 30 by 5. 5 ones, 5 ones. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. So x equal minus 6. X equal minus 6. Check the equation. 5x is equal minus 30. X value is minus 6. So in LHS 5 into minus 6 minus 30. 5 6 are 30 plus into minus minus 30 is equal minus 30. The value of LHS is equal the value of RHS. So the variable value is minus 6, satisfying the equation 5x minus 30. 5x minus 30. Solve some more example. Z by 6 is equal minus 3. Z by 6 is equal minus 3. In this equation, multiply 6 on both sides. 6 on both sides. Z by 6 into 6. In RHS, minus 3 into 6. 6 ones, 6 ones. That is Z is equal 6 3s are 18 minus 18. The value of Z is equal minus 18. Check the equation LHS is equal RHS. Z by 6 is equal minus, the value of Z is equal minus 18. Minus 18 by 6 is equal 6 ones, 6 3s. That is minus 3 is equal minus 3. So LHS, value of LHS is equal value of RHS. Satisfying the equation, the variable value is minus 18. Minus 18. Z is equal minus 18. The transforming terms from LHS to RHS. The plus quantity becomes minus quantity from LHS to RHS. Minus quantity becomes plus quantity. Similarly, into quantity becomes divided by quantity. Divided by quantity becomes into quantity. Solve 3x plus 5 is equal 5x plus 11. 3x plus 5 is equal 5x plus 11. Here 3x is the variable and 5x is the variable. 5, 11 are the constant terms. 5, 11 are the constant terms. Separating the variables. 3x plus 5x is become to the minus 5x. 11 plus 5 is become to the minus 5. Minus 5. 3x minus 5x, that is 3 minus 5 minus 2x. 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5, that is 6. That is 6. X equal 6. 2x is the into form. It can be changed or become divided by form. That is by minus 2. Minus 2. 2 ones are, 2 3s are. That is the value of x is equal minus, the value of x is equal minus. Check the equation. LHS 3x plus 5. X is equal minus 3. Therefore 3 into minus 3 plus 5. 3 3s are 9. Plus into minus, minus 9 plus 5. Minus 9 plus 5, that is 4. Minus 4. Biggest value is 9. So, minus 4. To find the RHS, 5x plus 11. 5x plus 11, that is 5 into x value taken as minus 3 plus 11. 5 3s are 15. Minus 15 plus 11. Minus 15 plus 11, that is minus 4. The value of LHS is minus 4. The value of RHS is minus 4. So, the value of variable is minus 3, satisfying the equation. Satisfying the equation. Solving another more example. 3 into x minus 3 is equal to 5 into 2x plus 1. This is the into form. So, multiplying the expression. 3 into x. 3x minus 3 3s are 9. 5 2s are 10 into x plus 5 1s 5. That is, next separating the variables. 3x 10x become to the minus 10x. 5 minus 9 becomes to the plus 9. 3x minus 10x, that is minus 7x. 3 minus 10, that is minus 7x. 9 minus 9 plus 5, that is 14. 5 plus 9, that is 14. X equal 14. It is the into form. It can be changed into the divided by form. Minus 7 by divided by minus 7. 7 ones, 7 twos. Therefore, x equal minus 2. X equal minus 2. Check the LHS and RHS. LHS is equal 3 into x minus 3. That is 3 into x equal minus 2. Minus 2 minus 3. 3 into minus 2 minus 3. Minus 5. 5 3s are 15. Minus 15. LHS. RHS is equal 5 into 2x plus 1. That is 5 into 2 into x value minus 2 plus 1. 5 into 2 2s are 4. Minus 4 plus 1. 5 into minus 4 plus 1, that is minus 3. 5 3s are 15. Minus 15. The value of LHS and RHS is equal minus 15, satisfying the equation. Therefore, the value of x equal minus 2. Check whether the value given in the brackets is solution to the given equation. For example, 7x plus 5 is equal 19. For the value x is equal 2. LHS is equal 7x plus 5. 7 into 2. X is equal to plus 5. 7 2s are 14 plus 5. 14 plus 5, that is 19. 14 plus 5, that is 19, LHS is equal 19, RHS is equal 19. RHS is equal 19. So LHS is equal, the value of LHS is equal RHS. LHS is equal RHS. So x equal 2 is the solution of the given equation. Given equation. So x is equal to 2 is the solution of the given equation. Some more example. 4p minus 3 is equal 13. For the value of p is equal 1. Value of LHS is equal 4p minus 3. 4 into p is equal 1 minus 4 ones 4 minus 3, that is 1. The value of RHS is equal 13. The value of RHS is equal 13. So LHS is not equal RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. So P is equal 1 is the not solution of the equation. Not solution of the given equation. Write statements in equations. Write statements in equation. For example, q is the variable. Q is multiplied by 5. Q is multiplied by 5. That is q into 5. That is 5 into q. 5q. 5q. For example, y is divided by 4. Y is divided by 4. Write in the equation, that is y divided by 4. Y divided by 4. Next, 9 times of n is added to 10. 9 times of n, that means multiplying by n. 9 into n. 9 times of n is 9 into n. That is 9n is added to 10. 9 times of n is added to 10. That is 9n plus 10. 9n plus 10. One more example. 1/4 of the product of numbers p and q. 1/4 of, that means 1 by 4. 1/4 of 1 by 4. Product of numbers p and q. Product of numbers p and q. That is p into q. That is pq. PQ. 1/4 of the product of numbers p and q. The answer will be product of PQ. PQ by 1/4. 4. 1 by 4. That is PQ by 4. That is PQ by 4. Some more example. 5 is added to the 3 times of x. 5 is added to the 3 times of x. 3 times of x means 3 into x, that is 3x, that is 3x. 5 is added to the 3 times of x, therefore 3x plus 5. 3x plus 5. Some more example. 16 is subtracted from 2 times of y. 2 times of y. 2 times of y means 2 into y, that is 2y. That is 2y. 16 is subtracted from 2 times of y. Therefore, 2y minus 16. 16 is subtracted from the 2 times of y. That is 2y minus 16. Solve some practical problems. For example, total number of boys and girls in a class is 52. Total number of boys and girls in a class is 52. If the number of girls is 10 more than that of the boys, 10 more than that of the boys, find the number of boys. Find the number of boys. In this problem we can find the number of boys. Let us consider as taken as x. Number of boys is equal x. Let be considered as number of boys is equal x. Number of girls. Number of girls. Number of girls is 10 more than that of the boys. 10 more than that of boys. Therefore, x plus 10. Number of girls is equal x plus 10. X plus 10. Total number of boys and girls is equal boys x plus girls x plus 10. X plus x, that is 2x plus 10. 2x plus 10. By this problem, total number of boys and girls in a class is 52. By the problem, total number of boys and girls in a class is 52. That is 2x plus 10 is equal 52. 2x plus 10 is equal 52. 2x is equal 52 plus 10 becomes to the minus 10. 2x is equal 52 minus 10, that is 42. X is equal 42 by 2. 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 ones, that is 21. X means number of boys. X means number of boys. Number of boys is equal 21. Number of girls x plus 10, that is 21 plus 10, 31. 31. X plus 10, that is 21 plus 10 is equal 31. Number of boys 21. Number of girls 31. Total number. Number of boys and girls. 21 plus 31, that is 52. That is 52. Some more example. The present age of Ramu's father is 3 times that of Ramu. 3 times that of Ramu. After 5 years, the sum of their ages will be 70 years. Find the present ages. Find the present ages. Present age of Ramu is equal to x. Let us consider the present age of Ramu is x. Present age of Ramu's father. Father is, the present age of Ramu's father is 3 times that of Ramu. 3 times that of Ramu. So 3 into x is equal 3x. 3 into x is equal 3x. After 5 years, the age of Ramu is equal x plus 5. After 5 years, the age of Ramu is x plus 5. After 5 years, the age of Ramu's father. X plus 5. 3x plus 5. After 5 years, the sum of the Ramu's and Ramu's father age is 70 years. Therefore, sum of Ramu and Ramu's father is x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5. That is x plus 3x. That is 4x plus 5 plus 5. That is 10. That is 10. 4x plus 10. By the problem, sum of their ages, Ramu's and Ramu's father ages, is equal to 17 years. That is 17 years. Therefore, 4x plus 10 is equal to 70. 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 4x is equal to 70. Plus 10 becomes to the minus 10. 4x is equal to 60. X is equal to 60 by 4. 4 ones 4. 4 ones 4 5s are 20. X is equal to 15. X is equal to 15. The present age of Ramu is 15. The present age of Ramu is 15 years. The present age of Ramu's father. That is 3 into 15, 45. 3 into 15, 45 years. The present age of Ramu is and the present age of Ramu's father is 45 years. Students, to give home assignment, write the problems and solve it. Solve the equation 5x minus 3 is equal to 3x minus 5 and 5 into x plus 4 is equal to 35. Second one, find a number which when multiplied by 7 and then reduced by 3 is equal to 53. Third one, find the length and breadth of the rectangle given below. If its perimeter is 72 meters. In this problem, we can find the length and breadth of the rectangle. Fourth one, after 15 years, Hema's age will become 4 times that of her present age. After 15 years, Hema's age will become 4 times that of her present age. Find her present age. Fifth problem, if we add 7 to the twice of a number, if we add 7 to the twice of a number, we get 49. Find the number. All of you once again, thank you.